Hey yo, what's going on everybody? My name is Dylan, you guys are chilling with Dylan, and today we got another brand new unboxing for you. That's right, ladies and gentlemen, we got another brand new unboxing for you over on the channel. So if you do enjoy the video, make sure you guys are smashing that like button. Please hit the subscribe if you are new around here too. And also don't forget to turn the post notification bell on so you don't miss another one of my uploads. And with all that being said, guys, let us get right into it. So this, guys, is a team early unboxing and review just for you. Now, what do I mean by early? I mean these things are pretty darn early. I believe these things are actually supposed to be scheduled to release May 25th. So we got these things about 2 months early to do a nice unboxing review for you. Now, these shoes shock dropped over on the Sneakers app during the Sneakers Live. Same time and date that the Green Glows came out, the Shadow Air Jordan 1 Lows, and this was the third pair. I hit 2 out of the 3. You already saw the Shadow 1 Low review, and this one was next. So let's get right into it. Right by the box, you're going to be able to tell what this is. So you get the Air Jordan 1 box, and it is a special box. Same colorway as what the shoes are, in that nice team red color all over the box with the white Nike branding. When you go over to the size tag, it reads Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG, white and team red. Yes, that's right. These are the team red Air Jordan 1s. I did get a size 11.5, which is my true to size in all Air Jordan 1s. I recommend you going true to size in your Air Jordan 1s. They usually all fit the same. Now, flipping open the box, guys, you're going to get greeted with the shoes. And nothing special, no fancy paper, nothing like that. But you get the shoes right here. So first thing off the bat, guys, you are going to notice when you open these things up out of the box, you got to give them a nice, quick smell test. Because these things smell strong. I don't know what kind of glue Nike decided to use for this release in particular, but man, the glue smell is super strong on these guys. So yeah, just something to note if you guys unbox these things and notice that there's a very strong scent of glue coming out of these. Yeah, you're not alone. They definitely have a strong glue smell to them. Other than that, first impression, guys, these are a nice, clean pair of shoes. Now, I will say I got these specifically on the shock drop to do an unboxing and review for you guys early, especially early. Like I said, 2 months early for these guys. But I don't know if I'm going to keep these. Guys, I have 2 pairs of the Lost and Found Air Jordan 1s. I finally started wearing my first pair of them. I love them, guys. It's my absolute favorite Jordan 1 of all time. So I don't think I need these. Now, although it is a very nice color, like I said, if you have the Chicagos, I really honestly don't see a need for these, especially since it's a unique color of red. It's more of that wine color or maroon color. It's not like a burgundy, like I know some people were saying that they're close to the Bordeaux ones that came out a couple years ago. They're not close to that at all. That's more of a purple. But this reminds me of more of like a wine or like that blood red or maroon. So however the camera is picking these things up, just know it's more of a maroon, blood red type of color and not so much like the purple burgundy that was on the Bordeaux ones. Other than that, guys, this is a super simple sneaker. Obviously, it's the perfect color blocking in my opinion. You got the Chicago style color blocking on these guys. So if you want, let's get into it. First thing to note, I will say quality control might be an issue on these. Obviously, I got these from Nike early on the shock drop, but however, the toe boxes are all mangled on these guys. I have not even tried these on, nothing. And you can already tell on the toe box that you got some bad, weird creasing of the toe box. Now, speaking on the toe box, I will say this is not the greatest leather of all time. Let's just be completely honest. If you look at the press test, you're going to see it is a, thinner or softer leather. However, it is not anything close to like the yellow ochre ones that came out. So don't expect that leather on these. Not tumbled, not super soft or buttery. It's more of a plasticky feel. However, a little bit softer than that. Other than that, I will say that the team red leather that they put on these things is very nice. So the team red leather is soft, supple, around the toe guard right here, the wings, it's very nice, and the ankle collar obviously nice and padded, but just that white plastic around here and on the mid panel is not the best. So don't expect anything premium out of these. Like I said, these things are going to be a gigantic GR when they officially release. So if you want them, you should be able to get your hands on them May 25th. Let's just go over the sneaker, guys. So let me use this one. I think the toe box looks a little bit better on these in particular. So we will use this for the review. Now, you're going to get the Team Red in the Chicago color blocking like I previously mentioned. Beautiful all over. Like I said, Chicago color blocking is my favorite. The only thing that is obviously a little bit different is you have white on the ankle collar and you don't have a black swoosh. But other than that, pretty much Chicago color blocking. Like I said, pretty nice, decent quality leather around the toe guard and around the wings in the Team Red color, as well as up the eyelids right here. However, like I said, the white plasticky leather is not the best quality. It is definitely GR quality when that is concerned. You're gonna get the Team Red, like I said, going all the way around the shoe on that Nike swoosh as well. Now, when you come back to the Wings logo, you're gonna get the Team Red, but you will get a kind of debossed Air Jordan Wings logo in white, which I think looks very nice on this particular pair of shoes. It has a nice pop of color. So I do like that. You are gonna get your standard white nylon tongue with the Team Red Nike Air logo right there on the tongue. I also will note you get white laces pre-laced in here. And when we check them out, let's see, they were in this pair. You are also going to get a second set of laces right here. It's going to be that Team Red color. Nice that they added this on a general release sneaker. And that is honestly pretty much it. I mean, going to your outsole, obviously you're going to get that gorgeous Team Red color on the Jordan 1 outsole, which is just a glorious outsole to begin with. And pretty much what you're going to get on the inside is just the Team Red on your insole, and then the white Nike Air logo is going to be inside of there as well. So very nice sneaker. I'm happy I hit early to do a quick unboxing and review for you guys. But like I previously mentioned, I don't know if I need to keep these in my collection. I do want to know what you guys think about them though. Will you go for these? Will you keep them? Is it something that you actually want to keep and rock? I do think if you don't have the Chicagos, this is a pretty decent alternative. The color red is nowhere near, that varsity red on the Chicagos. However, it's still a nice alternative. I think, if you don't have those, this is probably your second best option. Let's just be honest. If you don't have the black toes or the breads, probably your second best option. So very nice colorway, clean colorway. I love the Chicago color blocking, but I don't think I'll be personally keeping these in my collection. But let me know if you guys went for them and hit them on the shock drop, or if you plan on going for them on the official release on May 25th. And with all that being said, guys, like I said, if you did enjoy this video, make sure you guys are smashing that like button. Please subscribe if you are new around here, and don't forget to hit the bell so you don't miss another one of my uploads. And that's pretty much going to do it for me, guys. So my name is Dylan. You guys just chill with Dill, and I'm out. Peace.